The day's going good today. I think we're all learning a lot of things that we need to know in our workspace. So it's good to have our team here, all from the same company, learning different things and kind of just venturing out. It's been real good.
We've had lots of fun in the classroom, talking about how we can better our policies and procedures, and yeah, it's been good.
It's going sweet, but I learned a lot, Heaps of exercises, you've learned heaps about health and safety.
For me, I think it was important to be able to do these training courses and just refresh your mind, to keep people safe, to keep yourself safe, your whānau safe.
Really impressed with the flow of the work and the comprehensive nature of all of the training. Our team have been really engaged. The facilitator's been excellent and the premises is custom designed. It's really comprehensive, well thought out delivery.